Struggling to keep track of your Amazon FBA inventory? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily check your inventory levels in Amazon Seller Central. Let's get started. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, navigate to the Inventory tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage FBA Inventory. This will take you to a page where you can see all your FBA inventory. Here, you can view your inventory levels, including available units, reserved units, and inbound shipments. You'll find additional details like fulfillment center status and any issues that might need your attention. For a more detailed view, you can also customize the columns to display specific information like SKU ASIN or condition. Here you can also easily update your price offering for particular listings. Regularly checking this information ensures you can promptly address any issues and maintain optimal stock levels, preventing stockouts or overstock situations. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.